Hi guys, as usual, I don't know what I'm doing. I found these noodles with a package that I cannot read. And the serving suggestion shows ingredients that I cannot place. So this will be an experiment for all of us. Let's go.
Yenta-pho, that's the name of the soup, and it is traditionally pink. Yenta-pho gets its color from the fermented soy curd or tofu that is the base for this soup. What is fermentation? Well, if you compare it to rotting, rotting is the process of bad bacteria downgrading your food, where fermentation is the process of good bacteria upgrading your food. It brings out complex flavors, makes food healthier, and allows it to be kept longer. Sometimes it even introduces a little alcohol to hay. Fermentation does normally not add color. In fact, it sometimes decolorizes food a little. However, yenta-pho is traditionally made from tofu that is made with red yeast rice. Enough said. In short, rotting, yucky, fermenting, yummy. Some well-known examples of fermented foods are wine, beer, pickles and yogurt. There's another very common product that most people don't know is fermented, so I'll save that fun fact for a little bit. Our noodle packet contains the widest noodles I have ever seen in my life. I recently discovered even wider noodles, which only demonstrates how little I know about them. Looking back on the track for a little green bag containing the oil and a slightly larger 2-compartmented sachet that contains soup powder and ground chili separately. That's great for people who don't like spicy or who don't like the taste of soup. Mama wants us to soak the noodles first, so we do that in blind confidence. As we wait for the noodles to soften, be amazed by this fact that coffee is also linked to fermentation. The coffee bean is the seed of the coffee cherry. The bean itself does not ferment, but the cherry ferments naturally, sometimes even before it is harvested. That process brings out nutrients that influence the taste and texture of the coffee bean. Getting back to our soup, it's time to add the oils, although the instructions say to add the soup powder first. I cannot help but smile at my little rebellious act. Then add the soup powder, very red, a red that in this case comes from beet. And finally, I add the chili. Yes, all of it. Give it a little stir and, might I say, that looks pretty nice. Did I mention pink is my favorite color?
Still don't know exactly what it is, but these pink broad ribbon noodles are definitely the prettiest I've ever eaten. It's nice because the noodles themselves retain some of their rice flavor, not too much, delicate. It looks like pickled ginger, but it actually tastes like spicy strawberry thyme tea, I think. It's delicious, I like it a lot. And if you don't like spicy, no problem, you can leave the chili out and just enjoy the rest of the soup. That's slightly sweet, herby, slightly floury, and it just has a good aftertaste as well. So I'm giving these noodles a whopping 5 out of 5 possible chopsticks. It would have been nicer for me if there was a little chew along with the noodles, maybe a piece of meat, but I don't know if that's appropriate for this soup. And I don't want to break one of my chopsticks in half. This is plastic and I don't want to get splinters in my eye. Now maybe you have a different opinion about these noodles, then please leave those in the comment section below. Or maybe you don't like noodles at all, but you still like this video, then go ahead and click like and subscribe so that we'll see each other again when we unbox some more noodles. There's one more thing. A while ago I promised that we would have a little contest at 100 subscribers. We're almost up to 60, so keep it up, spread the news. Maybe you'll win something noodle related.